Hello, Ann. You do good school, okay? It's different there in the Philippines. Make friends, pero don't forget, babalik ka rin in the US. You will study again there, okay? Take care, anak. Bye.
Okay, class dismissed. Again, welcome back to school. And don't forget to make friends with Anne, our transferee student from the States.
Pangakong di kita malilimutan. At tiro, huwag mong kalimutan. Ikaw naman.
Kakain mo yan? Uy!
Sorry, I didn't hear you. What were you saying?
Teka, paano nga ba? Ikaw ba yung foreigner daw na new student sa kabilang section?
Yeah, that's me, I guess. You don't have to speak that slow.
Sorry. Nga pala, ba't ka pala nandito sa field? It's very hot in here, you know?
I could ask you the same thing. It's hotter in the cafeteria. And there's too many people. And there's poor ventilation.
Sa bagay nga, madami ang tao.
Whoa! What is that?
Ay, sorry. Malakas ba yung amoy? Yung tipong kaya kayo paglaban?
Ipag what?
Ipaglaban? Ipag-fight? Hindi mo rin magigets eh. Eto, gusto mo i-try? Luto to ng nanay ko. Masarap.
That vinegar smell is strong. I don't think I can handle it.
Maka-handle pa. Ano ba? It's just the smell. But the taste is very delicious. You shouldn't judge the food by its odor.
If I puke, you have to clean it up.
May papiyok-piyok pa. Just try it. Sarap siya. Ano? Tasty and delicious, right?
Not bad.
Told you.
Guys, bigay nyo midterm marks nyo sa parents nyo, okay? Saka please, make sure you're opening up to one another. I'm still not seeing a good level of class unity.
Uy, ikaw di ba yung nasa field kahapon, di ba?
Oh, the loose guy. What are you doing here?
Grabe, makabahos tong pambansang isda.
I mean, I guess I didn't catch your name.
O nga pala, ako pa si Christopher Portasio. Kiko, for short.
Christopher per what?
Christopher Portasio, as in Jose Portasio Mercado Y. Alonso Villalonda.
Okay.
Ikaw, ano man name mo?
Anne Waikala.
Anne Waikala. Are you from Katipunan?
Di ka funny, bro.
Okay. Anyways, I have to go na. Kasi may next class pa ako.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you. Anne?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Sa lahat ng nagtitake ng ASET, UPCAT, USTET, BCAT, SATs, kakayanin nyo yan. Just a few more days, guys.
Uy, Ann! Nagpipiano ka pala?
What? What are you talking about? I've never seen a piano before in my life.
Ayos yung joke ka. Ano yung piniplay mo?
Oh, it's the song that my classmate showed me. It's called Kumapit, and I thought it was really nice, so I decided to try and learn it.
Maganda ah. Try mo nga. Pa-sample.
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, okay. Let's
Kaya
do
mo
it.
yun.
Okay.
So, kailangan natin mag-to.
Mamula-mula ang iyong labit pisngi. Maaari ba akong mamanhi? Tangan-tangan ng iyong pamaypal. Kay ganda,
Nakipagkarinyosa hanggang ngayon'y naging kahapon. Dinala sa simbahan, mga hinaing. Ngunit sa dulo, ako'y bigo pa rin.
Ganda ng Marikina, no?
Super.
Pero may mga araw, yan lahat, siya, punong-puno ng baha. Nakikita mo dun sa mga balita, di ba? Marikina yung parang number 1 nagsususpend ka agad, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Actually, isa kami sa mga biktima sa baha sa Marikina.
Your family?
Ayun, nagkukwentuhan yung mga parents ko, like, mga nakakatakot na story, like, oh, may ahas dun, no? Grabe.
Oh, wait.
Mom.
Upstairs.
Hello, Mom. Oh, hi, Mom. Yeah. All the. I have. Yeah. I know. It's gonna expire soon. My visa and everything. But it's so stressful right now. I don't want to think about it. Can you just give me like time to breathe, please? Can you just stop calling me? Oh my gosh. Sorry. What were you saying?
So, ano yung visa na sinasabi mo kanina sa mom mo?
Oh, don't worry about that. That's nothing. It's just it was nothing.
So, ibig sabihin, alis ka na?
I don't know. I don't know for sure.
Wait, para saan ba kasi yung visa na yun?
Well, I need a visa to take the SATs, which are like exams in the US in case I wanna.
So you are leaving? Uy, Ankala. Kala ko ba alis ka na?
What can I say? I love Manila.
Wow.